Welcome back, food lovers! Today we are making a flavor-packed chicken sausage and veggie soup, an easy, nutritious, and budget-friendly homemade classic family recipe. My mom used to make this whenever I wasn't feeling well, and it has been a go-to comfort meal ever since. Love hearty, simple recipes? Hit subscribe and join the feast. Now let's get started. First, we peel and dice 1 cup carrots, but 2 to 3 carrots. Then we peel and dice 2 cups potatoes from about 3 potatoes. I use Yukon Gold. Then we have 1.5 cups boiled and diced chicken breast, 2 sausages or 2 cups diced, three and a half cups cabbage diced, heat up 3 cans chicken broth and 1 cup water and add the carrots and potatoes. This will make more like a stew consistency. If you want it more soupy, use 5 cans chicken broth. Cook until the carrots and potatoes are tender. If you are using Instant Pot like I did, I use the soup feature for 20 minutes. Then I add the sausages and chicken and cook briefly. See how this looks more like a stew since I'm using 3 cans chicken broth? Finally, we add the cabbages, salt and pepper and cook until tender. I like to serve it with sliced chili peppers and soy sauce and a sprinkle of the crispy fried shallots. Thank you for watching and I see you next time.